In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Zoho CRM email properly. First, sign into your Zoho CRM account and head to the home dashboard. In the top right corner, look for the settings gear icon and click it. This takes you into the setup area where all communication tools live. From the setup menu, select email. If you don't see it right away, search for email in the setup search bar. We're heading to the email configuration section. On the email page, click Get started to begin configuring your mailbox connection. Next, choose Zoho Mail as the provider. This method is ideal if your organization already uses Zoho Mail because authentication and server settings are handled for you. Click Configure to open the account details form. In the display name field, type the name you want recipients to see in their inbox. Keep it clear and professional, typically your full name or your team name. In the email address field, enter the mailbox you will send from inside CRM. Make sure it's an address you own or have permission to use, especially if it's a shared inbox. For the password field, enter the mailbox's password associated with that address. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication or strict security policies, you may be prompted for an app-specific password or secure sign-in flow. Follow the on-screen guidance and keep credentials confidential. Once those fields are filled, click Configure to save the connection. Zoho CRM will validate the details and finalize the link to your mailbox. After a successful setup, your Compose window in CRM will use this address, and emails you send can be automatically associated with leads, contacts, and deals based on matching addresses. Here are a few quick tips to ensure a smooth experience. Double-check spelling in your display name to avoid typos appearing to customers. Confirm that your email address matches the domain approved by your company. If validation fails, re-enter your credentials carefully, ensure your account isn't locked, and try again. If you're not seeing the settings options, you may need administrator permissions. That's it. By clicking the settings gear, opening email, hitting Get Started, choosing Zoho Mail, selecting Configure, entering your display name, email address, and password, and clicking Configure again, you've properly connected email in Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, you can later verify the setup by sending a quick message from a contact's record and confirming it appears in the email timeline. See you in the next tutorial.